This is a film with patterned electrode aluminum produced in roll-to-roll process. Size of the pattern can be better than like a millimeter. You see over here. Okay. I see the film is a little bit wrinkle here. Let me go to inside a little bit. You will see here, right? So you see over here is how it works. Okay. With aluminum, thin aluminum. Okay, let me see. You see here, the black, a little bit of black area is aluminum electrode, and the black area is electrode. The transparent area is no electrode. Okay, no electrode. You can see it very clear. Okay, so this aluminum is a low conductivity because for the other application, but we can make it a very conductive, better than 1 ohm per square. This can be produced in a roll-to-roll process. You can see from here, right? Okay, now you can see it better. See.